Hello everyone, welcome to Toddler Tuesdays this week. My name is Jo. I've had a few requests from parents about making Play-Doh, which is lots of fun and can entertain kids for hours. So I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy Play-Doh which will last quite a while. We're going to use the stove top, so it is an activity that requires cooking. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. The ingredients you need are vegetable oil, cream of tartar, fine table salt, food colouring, and white plain flour. You can get all of these things from your supermarket. You will need the following equipment: a saucepan, some measuring cups and spoons, a spatula or wooden spoon, and a plastic container or Ziploc bag to store your finished Play-Doh in. In your saucepan, put 1 cup of flour, 1/3 of a cup of salt, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. Take your spatula and stir it around so it's mixed up. Then add 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1 lid of food colouring. This will make a nice strong coloured Play-Doh. Now you need to mix everything up together, put it on the stove top on a medium to low heat. Start stirring, mix it up. It's okay if it's a bit lumpy, because eventually you'll work those lumps out. Now you'll notice that it'll start to thicken up. That's what you want it to do. Just keep on stirring. And now, as it starts to cook, it will begin to change and thicken a bit. I can see that change happening now, starting to happen. Just keep on mixing. That's why a flat spatula is good too. You can scrape the bottom of your pot. Now it's starting to get darker, which means it's starting to cook, which is good. It's what you want. Now for older kids, you can get them to help in this process, but you just want to keep it moving. Now it's really starting to cook and ball together. This is what you want. Yeah, this is what we want. Almost there. And I think we're done. You can turn it out of the pot onto a table or a clean surface and give it a little knead. And there you go. You've made your first batch of Play-Doh. You can then store it in a container or a Ziploc bag. I hope you enjoyed that. So stay tuned for the next video in which I will show kids how to make fun things with their new Play-Doh. I'll see you then.